In 1985, I graduated high school, and I really wasn't smart enough to go to college. So my father bought a company that Al worked at, and we did industrial, like stamping and all that sort of stuff, and he figured at least he would have a business to sell if I screwed that up. So I started in 1985 with my parents, and the business was started in 1974, and we just expanded from there. You know, we went from, stamping to assemblies to injection molding, and now we've got our own products. The tools for our own products are all wholly owned by Kinnamore. It's owned by Mary Romanek, who controls 100% of the company. It's a woman-owned business. Yes, certified, WBENC.
My name is Maura. I've been working here since I was 18 years old. 44 now. Nos da gusto venir porque aquí somos más como familia. Todos los días llegamos y estamos contentos de vernos y no somos muchos, pero los que estamos nos llevamos bien.
I really enjoy the people I work with, whether it's here, our customers, our vendors. I just enjoy it. I like it. I wouldn't want to do anything else, and that's the truth. I've been here 37 years of my life has been spent doing this. When you're a small business and you spend a lot of time developing your product, making your product, and you work so hard, to walk into a store, a retail store, and to see your product, we just feel like we're a part of a team, part of, just something that matters. The knife safe is an important product because it adds safety to your knives. My wife and I camp, so we have them in a drawer in our camper as well, and it just safety. I mean, safety is like paramount, especially with children. That and just job security, for the people that work here. I mean, whether it's, the people worrying about paying their mortgage or their kids' college payments.
Nos emocionamos porque tenemos mucho trabajo. Y si tenemos trabajo y si la compañía tiene trabajo, pues todos vamos a estar bien y todos vamos a estar contentos con nuestras familias también. Vamos a tener más trabajo, más dinero, vamos a estar muy bien.
I've been coming to KCTC since 2016.
I've been here since I graduated out of high school. I was 18 when I graduated.
I've been at KCTC 16 years.
Here at Kankakee County Training Center for the Disabled. We provide jobs for adults with disabilities and try to train them so they can actually one day make it into the workforce outside in the community.
We have over 12 group homes in the Bradley area. And we have buses that will go out in the community into the group homes to pick up the clients and bring them back.
All these guys will make you excited about coming to work. They tend to be like family after you've been here so long.
When they don't have family, they always come here.
KCTC does different jobs for the community. For instance, the pipes we do go on people's homes. A lot of people might not want to do that kind of a job, but fortunately, we're lucky to be able to do that kind of stuff here.
Anything that sells through our community is obviously going to help our community. So getting the products as Flowtech, Cord Safe, Knife Safe, getting those products on the shelf will definitely help our clients in reproducing more and getting more work out and more accomplishment for them.